Hey, your tens. For today's lesson, I'm going to talk about a power of a power. So the general rule is if I had like a to the power of m to the power of n, what you would do to solve this problem is you would say, well, that's a to the power of m times n. It's a power of a power. So to show you this in application, if you had x to the power of 3 to the power of 4, that's going to be x 3 times 4, which equals x to the power of 12. Quick another example of that. If I gave you 3 bracket f to the power of 4 to the power of 3, for the solution, remember that this power of 3 only applies to what it's touching, the brackets. It does not count for, it does not happen for that 3, so do not think that it applies to that 3. It only applies to what's inside the brackets. So I just rewrite my 3 bracket, and then after I write my bracket, I would do f4 times 3 bracket 3, and then I can then expand that. What's 4 times 3? It's f to the power of 12. Another quick example, I'll do a little bit of a hard one. This time we'll do 2s bracket 4. So this means everything inside the brackets this is applying to. So what this means is it also means that it's 2 to the power of 4 times s to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. You use your calculator to do that. On your calculator, you need to look for the button. It looks like this. To type that in, you would press 2 hat 4 to get to 16. And then you'd write s to the power of 4. That's how you would get to there. My next example, I'll just need another screen to write on. On this one, what I'm going to do, let's get that new drawing going. This time we're going to do another example. It will be x to the power of 2, y to the power of 3, bracket to the power of 5. That means everything inside the brackets is to the power of 5. So that would mean that would be x to the power of 2 times 5 times y to the power of 3 times 5. I got the 2 from here, I got the 3 from here, and then I multiply both by 5. So 2 times 5 is 10, y, 3 times 5 is 15. And that's how you get to that one. The last example I have for you, this one's pretty straightforward. It's given to you as a fraction. I say everything inside is cubed with the power of 3. We're going to apply that to here, and we'll apply that to there. So that equals x to the power of 3, 4 to the power of 3. And further simplify that out to being x to the power of 3 over 4 to the power of 3 on my calculator gives me 16. Oh, sorry, not 16. Oops. Gives me 64. There we go. Better. All right. I hope you're all doing well and keep it safe and healthy. And that's our lesson for today.